Take a deep breath. Happiness and warmth are surrounding you, confirming that you've made the right choice recently. It's time to express yourself and enjoy life more. Let go of your burdens as things are about to feel lighter and more fun.